Today I'm going to show you how to install an LED rear taillight on a Yamaha XV1600 Roadstar. You're going to start by removing the 3 Phillips screws in the back. With this cover is going to come a gasket. You want to save that and reuse it for the new taillight housing. Remove the old bulb along with the wiring. To get the housing off, you're going to take off these 3 10mm nuts, and the 3 tabs on the left side are going to need to come off to remove the harness. Remove your license plate and the license plate bracket to gain access to the 3 wires that will come from the back. The new LED light will plug and play into these. No modification needed. These are the 3 wires that you need to plug in. Use the old sheathing and the old taillight back and just plug in your new LED taillight. This is how it should look with the new wires installed. Make sure to put the rubber grommet back as to not damage your wires when you're riding. Screw down the 3 10mm bolts and push your wiring through the other hole. Once you got those in place, you're going to check which one is running lights, which one is brake lights, and which one is ground. We know the ground is going to be the black wire, so blue goes to red, yellow goes to green, and black goes to black. And you should be good. That's how you install an LED taillight into a Yamaha Roadstar. I decided not to use the turn signal wires as I wanted to keep them original, but now would be a good time to install them.